The target audience for UFO is children between the ages of 8 and 14 and would therefore have a certification of a PG upon distribution. We asked members of the audience from the showcase evening the rating they think would be suitable, and the results came back as 5 out of 7 suggestions for a rating of a PG, whilst the other two argued for a 12. According to the British Board of Film Classification, PG-rated films should not unsettle a child aged around 8 or older, and should be given consideration by parents before being shown to anyone younger. The BBFC lays out a set of guidelines and regulations regarding topics such as drugs, violence, language, and other behaviours, and how they must be presented in each certification. By comparing across the different ratings, we could argue that our film would fall under a PG, as there would be no content of which would order a rating of a 12 or 12A. As the nature of the plot does revolve heavily around UFOs, it could be argued that younger children may be affected by it. However, we do believe that those over the age of 8 would not be distressed and would understand the plotline. In order to ensure our film would appeal to our intended audience, we asked 20 people of ages 8 to 14 what their preferred genre of film was. The results were conclusive as a comedy being the most popular genre, with sci-fi and rom-coms also receiving high numbers of votes. Horror films, however, were massively unapproved of and received only 1 vote. The content of our product was also important when addressing the needs of our audience. As comedy was favoured, our main aim was to make the story light-hearted, achieved by the use of our clumsy character. It was also imperative that we avoided any frightening content as to not harm our audience and keep it within the limitations of a PG-rated film. Another feature common to PG films is the use of an older character, particularly seen in the works of Disney. As our target audience is likely to be impressionable, it was important the protagonist was a friendly, likeable character and someone who could be seen as a role model in order to adhere to the BBFC guidelines of imitable behaviour. The use of an upbeat, happy song was also employed to appeal to our market by immediately bringing a youthful feel to the opening, engaging with the interests of our target audience.